everyone, take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail, then divide the ponytail into two equal halves, make it in the form of plaits. Take the lower ends, divide it into two parts, make plaits out of those two parts and then roll it upwards and then in the form of a rubber band decorate it. Take your hair, divide it into two parts, then take the upper part, make plaits out of those two parts, attach it with the lower end as well and then tie it in the form of a rubber band. Make a crisscross look and then you're done. You can decorate it with your favorite ribbon. Take your hair, divide it into two parts, make plaits out of those two parts, then tie the lower ends again with a rubber band, make layers and do the same process with the lower parts of the hair as well. Take your hair, tie it in the form of lower ponytail, decorate that ponytail with your favorite ribbon in the crisscross manner just like this. See how pretty it looks. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a rubber and rubber band. The rubber band should be red in color to give it a Cinderella look. Tie it in the form of plaits and then attach it with the ponytails. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Take the lower ends of your head, divide it into two parts, make plaits and with a reindeer-shaped rubber band decorate it. Your hair, divide it into two, taking ponytails, roll those ponytail upwards in the form of a circle, take the lower end and then attach it with that ponytail. Thank you for watching.